Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. Today's video, I'm not going to be working on anything right now. I'm currently trying to get the garage, cleaned out, get rid of all the stuff that we don't need. I did purchase a new storage rack, so right now I'm working on getting this organized and then all the unnecessary stuff that we don't need so I can clear space, try to make the garage more of my workplace. That way I can, do videos in here. Also, I have a desk in here that I'm trying to clear up so I can use that as like my, my workstation. I can upload videos, edit videos on and all that. But I do have some other parts coming in for the vet. I also got my bracket back from work. Well, work, because long story. But anyways, I got the bracket back, but unfortunately the plans that I had for it didn't go through. But here is the bracket. I know I was saying that we're working on it, trying to get like a box molded around it so I can put the stock exhaust in there and get it tucked away. But unfortunately, things didn't go as planned. I was out of work for like 2-3 weeks, and the homie at work that was supposed to do it didn't have the material to do it, so I couldn't get it done. But that's okay. We'll find another way to get it done. I'm probably gonna mock up how I want it and hit up this guy up the street and see if he can be able to mock that up for me. So right now I'm just cleaning up the garage, getting rid of the old stuff. I got old parts I need to sell, like the old stock exhaust from my bike, old bars from my Sportster, my Grum, and the Ultra. So I just got parts everywhere. Right now I'm trying to get them together, posting them up on OfferUp. If you need a stock exhaust for 2016, I'm not sure what years it fits, but if you need a stock exhaust for your Street Glide 103, I'm sure it'll all fit. Like was it? I can't remember, but it's off my 2016. So if you know it fits your bike and you need it, comment down below, let me know if you need it, and maybe we can work a deal out from there. I'm open to free shipping as long as the price is right. It makes it affordable for the both of us, so we can get that deal made. I'm also selling my front fairing. Unfortunately, the guy that was supposed to come pick it up flaked on me. You guys know how that goes. So that's also up for sale. It's still really good condition. Everything's included. The radio, the speakers. The only thing I'm keeping are the gauges, the gas, the voltage, and of course the RPM and speedometer. So those are the only things I'm keeping because those are going onto the FXR fairing that we're currently putting on. Also, if you guys new to the channel, I am doing a whole FXRT fairing on my Ultra. I also got new speakers that are going in. 6.5 for the fairing. I'm running a Bluetooth amp here, and 6x9s for the bag. So that's in the works right now. The FXRT fairing also will be installed with the lowers on the bike. So if you guys want to see the bike, if you're new to the channel, you haven't seen the bike yet, go ahead and check those videos out. Before this, a couple weeks ago, check those out. I got a little update on the FXRT fairing and stuff like that, so we'll get that going. Also got something else in for the FXRT, but we'll work on that another day. And yeah, so I'm just trying to clear the garage up. That way I have more space to work on the car or the bike on, or any other projects that I'm working on. I'm also doing a little RC build with my son, trying to build him a little drift car, so that would give him a lot more room in here in the garage to try out his little drift car. We need a servo, motor, body, and battery. So we need all that still. We're going to be trying to get those ordered for his RC so we can get him to, try that thing out. Also, I will be working on merch. A buddy and I were going to be working on some merch, so hopefully I can get something going for you guys. So if you guys are interested in that, go ahead, like this video, subscribe. We are getting better with the subscriptions. We gained another 2 within the last couple of days, so thank you guys so much for the subscription. I started this channel probably like 2 years ago. Did it for a couple months, fell off, picked it up again, fell off. But this time I've actually been kind of consistent in posting at least a video every week, and it's been working out great. We're gaining more subscribers and more views, so again, thank you guys so much for that. It really means a lot. It's motivating me and getting me wanting to upload more videos for you guys. Also, you guys can follow me on Instagram, Pat Glide. I'll leave it down there in the description below. Follow me. My goal is to get to 1,000 subscribers right now. I'm trying to get 1,000 subscribers. Once we hit that 1,000 subscribers, we'll do a giveaway. maybe cash giveaway, or I think cash will be best because that way you guys can use that for whatever you guys want. Also with the merch, so I will announce a giveaway soon once I get the merch all gathered and mocked up, and that way I can, you know, present it to you guys so you guys can see what's upcoming next. So yeah, subscribe to the channel, man. Subscribe to the channel. We're slowly but surely going up. I mean, it's not much, but everything means a lot to me. So again, huge shout out to you guys. Thank you so much for, you know, the subscription and keeping me motivated. So I'm gonna get this garage cleaned up, get everything straightened out, and then we'll show you how it looks and the workstation and everything from there. So I got the rack all straightened out and everything on there, somewhat organized. Again, I am selling my OEM front end fairing off my Ultra. This is the outer, and then I have the inner over there. Just waiting on Big Blue Junk here local in Stockton to come pick up all these boxes that I have to ready to dump, and then we should be able to organize everything else from there. All my kids' toys everywhere. This is the stock exhaust and some of the stock bars that I have posted and offer up as well. But yeah, we're making some progress right now. Some changes in the garage. This is the desk I'm talking about. Got a few more parts here: stock windscreen, intake, rear brake, and then some rear crowds for the Gixxer 750H to own as well. So we're slowly making progress. I'm trying to get as much done as I can, but my knee is affecting me right now. So as soon as we get this junk out the way, we'll be able to clear up everything else to make more room, and then move some more stuff around just to clear it up some more. Man, the storage rack made a big difference in the garage. I was able to, you know, not only organize my stuff, but also make more room for the Corvette, which is a plus because I do want this thing parked in the garage with the bike, of course. So that thing is a big help. So if you're looking for a rack, I highly recommend getting like one of them heavy duty racks. I know you can find some at Home Depot. They have like a Milwaukee brand for like $170 brand new. This one is a Elsa. I've seen some on retail going for like $497, and I got it for $150. So I couldn't pass that deal up neither. I mean, I figured it's a good deal. It'd be good in the garage to be able to hold everything that I have on the rack, and you know, will be confident that it won't collapse on me. So I'm glad I purchased that. Got the Rockstar fridge. Shout out to the uncle for hooking me up with that. And then this will be like my little work area station. As soon as we get this cleared up, we'll be able to do more on the station itself. The desk I got on offer up as well. Found this lady. She puts together furniture, does a review on them, and then sells them. This is like a $350 desk, I believe. Only got it for $50, so brand new. Right after she was done putting it together, she posted up an offer up and sold it, so I went to go pick it up. But yeah, this is what we're looking at right now. As soon as we get them to come pick up this junk, then we can go ahead and finish the rest of the garage. Like I said, today's video, I'm just trying to, you know, make my work area more convenient for me as far as space, and having, you know, real estate to go ahead and move things around when I need to, and just to have a setting just for me to do my videos at as well. So a lot more stuff are coming right now, but for now, this is what we're working on. I'm still waiting on the parts for the Corvette. Also, I did notice that our last video did hit almost 360 views, and I'm really happy and proud about that. I just need you guys to go and subscribe. Get me to 300 subscribers. And if you're watching the video, subscribe. Help me out. Help your boy out. Subscribe to the channel. You know, like I said, I'm thankful for all the subscribers we got so far and all the views that we're getting on the videos, but I need your guys' help subscribing to the channel. Please go ahead, smash that subscribe button right now. You know, like and comment this video. It'll help me out and help out the channel grow more too. So thank you again for you guys' continuous support. I can't thank you guys enough, but let's go ahead and wait for these guys to come, and then we'll update you once we get everything else cleared and out the way. All right, guys, so Big Blue Junk just pulled up. It's getting rid of all the junk that we have. If you are local, how far do you guys go?
Tracy
Valley, basically. Yeah. If you guys are out here in the Valley, hit up Big Blue Junk. The number is right here, 209-808-3454. I've hit these guys a few times already, and they've been here when they said they were, and they took out all the junk that I've had and needed to get rid of. So definitely hit these guys up. They have an Instagram too as well, and Big Blue Junk Removal. Hit them up, give them a call if you guys need anything taken out. If you guys need a whole house demolished, I'm sure they'll be able to willing to go in there and do that work for you too. So shout these guys out, man. Thank you so much for helping me out.